Welcome back to your top-notch 1 book progress. I'm Mr. Diaz, your English teacher. In this video class, we'll be working unit number 1, lesson number 2, page 6. The objective for this class is identify and describe people. Bienvenidos nuevamente al progreso del libro Top Notch 1. Mi nombre es Néstor Díaz, su maestro de inglés. En esta video clase estaremos trabajando la unidad número 1, lección número 2, página 6. El objetivo de la unidad es identificar y describir personas. Grammar. Modification with adjectives. Review. Remember, these are some positive adjectives like beautiful, great, excellent, famous, handsome, wonderful, fantastic, and terrific. Adjective describes nouns and pronouns. Remember, they can go after the verb be or before the noun. For example, Alejandro Sanz is handsome. He's a handsome singer from Spain. Tony Leung and Gong Li are famous. They're famous actors from China. Use an article before an adjective that modifies a singular noun. For example, he's a great musician, not he's a great musician. Another explanation. Remember, an adjective goes before the noun. In this case, car is the noun. So for example, my blue car, this is the adjective and it goes before. Also, an adjective goes after the verb. For example, has. In this case is the verb. She has a red car. This is the verb and goes after it. Here's another example. Kylian Mbappe is popular. He's a talented player. What other adjectives can describe Kylian? Is he fast? Is he tactic? Is he handsome? Gramática. Adjetivos que modificación con adjetivos. Repaso. Adjetivos positivos. Bello, bella, muy bueno, excelente, famoso, guapo, maravilloso, fantástico y muy bueno. Los adjetivos describen nombres y pronombres. Ellos pueden ir antes del verbo ser o estar o después del nombre. Alejandro Sanz es guapo. Él es un guapo cantante de España. Tony Leung y Wong Li son famosos. Ellos son famosos actores de China. Usa el artículo antes del adjetivo que modifica un nombre en singular. Por ejemplo, él es un gran músico. No vas a decir él es gran músico. Recuerda, los adjetivos van después del nombre. En este caso, carro es el nombre o el sustantivo, ¿verdad? Mi carro azul, en español es al revés. Pero en inglés sería my blue car. El adjetivo va antes del nombre. También el adjetivo va después del verbo. En este caso, has es el verbo. Esto significa tener. She has a red car. Significa ella tiene un carro rojo. Kylian Mbappé es popular. En este caso, este es el adjetivo. Kylian Mbappé es popular. Él es un jugador talentoso. ¿Qué otros adjetivos describen a Kylian? Es el rápido, es el táctico, es el guapo. Exercise A, grammar practice. On a separate sheet of paper, combine each pair of sentences. So you're gonna combine Juan Luis Guerra is a singer. He's fantastic. Here's an example. Amy Tam is a writer. She's wonderful. So you combine these two and you say, she's a wonderful writer. Okay, using the pronoun for the name and using the adjective that's describing her. So in this case, we're using singer and fantastic. So what will be the combination? Juan Luis Guerra is a singer. He's fantastic. He's a fantastic singer. Penelope Cruz is an actress. She's beautiful. She's a beautiful actress. Yong Biao is an artist. He's an artist. He's excellent. He's an excellent artist. Alice Waters is a chef. She's famous. She's a famous chef. Eric Clapton and Jeff Beck are musicians. They're great. They're great musicians. Práctica gramatical. En una hojita aparte de papel, combina cada oración. Por ejemplo, Amy Tan es una escritora. Ella es maravillosa. La combinación sería, ella es una maravillosa escritora. Juan Luis Guerra es un cantante. Es fantástico. La combinación sería, él es un cantante fantástico. Penélope Cruz es una actriz. Ella es bella. Ella es una bella actriz. Jean Biao es un artista. Él es excelente. Él es un excelente artista. Alice Water es una cocinera, una chef. Ella es famosa. Ella es una famosa cocinera. Eric Clapton y Jeff Beck son músicos. Ellos son geniales o muy buenos. Ellos son buenísimos músicos. Now, write 3 sentences about other famous people. Okay, another example could be Bella Poarch. She's a popular TikToker. Mark Zuckerberg, he's a brilliant developer. Erling Haaland, he's a fantastic player. Ahora escribe 3 oraciones acerca de otras 3 personas famosas. Tengo estos ejemplos. Erling Haaland es un fantástico jugador. Mark Zuckerberg es un desarrollador o programador brillante, es un brillante programador. Y Bella Poarch es una popular TikToker. Conversation model. Read and listen to someone identify and describe a person. Before this, let's check what they're talking about. So, this guy is talking to her about this man, John Mayer. He's in the magazine. So that's the topic they're talking about. Okay? So he's asking him he's asking her about him. Let's listen to the conversation.
Page 6. Conversation model. Exercise A. Read and listen to someone identify and describe a person.
Hey, who's John Mayer?
You don't know? For real?
No. Is he famous?
He sure is. He's a great musician.
Where's he from?
The United States.
Okay, notice this. There's a falling intonation in who's John Mayer and where is he from. For example, who's John Mayer? Where is he from? And there's a rising intonation in you don't know? For real? And also in is he famous? Conversación modelo. Lee y escucha acerca de alguien identificando o describiendo una persona. Nótese de que ellos dos están hablando de él, el que está en la revista. Su nombre es John Mayer. Y ella le está preguntando que si no lo conoce y si no sabe a qué se dedica. En inglés hay una realce en la voz cuando haces la pregunta, who's John Mayer? Perdón, hay un decremento en la voz cuando preguntas who's John Mayer? También cuando preguntas de dónde es él, es así un decremento en la entonación. Where's he from? Y al contrario, hay un incremento en la entonación cuando dices you don't know. También aquí, for real? Is he famous? Entonces dice así, hey, le dice él a ella, ¿quién es John Mayer? Y ella responde, ¿no sabes? ¿En serio? Y le dice, no, es el famoso. Y ella le dice, sí lo es, claro que lo es. Él es un gran músico. Le pregunta a él, ¿de dónde es? ¿De dónde es? Y ella responde, de Estados Unidos. Ok. Ritmo y entonación. Escucha nuevamente y repite. Luego practica la conversación modelo con un compañero. Ok, van a haber unas pausas. Por favor, repitan.
Page 6. Exercise B. Rhythm and intonation. Listen again and repeat in the pauses. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
Hey, who's John Mayer?
You don't know? For real?
No. Is he famous?
He sure is. He's a great musician.
Where's he from?
The United States.
Grammar. Yes, no question and short answers with be. Review. Be careful. You can say, yes, I am. Do not say, yes, am. You can also say, yes, she is. Do not say, yes, she's. Okay, first, let's check this. These are statements, okay? Something that is, true. Something that is, and confirmation. So you can say, you are our teacher. We have the verb be involved, so pay attention to it, because when we change the position of it in a sentence, we transform this statement into a question. So it says, you are our teacher. And here, notice it changed to a question. You can say, are you our teacher? If it's positive, you say, yes, I am. If it's negative, it's no, I'm not. Is she? No, she is Chinese. That's a statement, okay? We're establishing it. However, if we make a question, we say, is she Chinese? If it's positive, yes, she is. If it's negative, no, she isn't. Oh, no, she's not. Your nickname is Josh, period, all right? Your nickname is Josh. But if we want to make that a question is your nickname Josh? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Or, no, it's not. You are Tom's students. Like Tom could be like a teacher. So you can say, you are Tom's student. The question would be, are you Tom's student? The answer would be, yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Another option for the negative would be, no, we're not. Finally, they are famous. This is, positive statement. However, if we want to make a question, we change the position of the verb be and say, are they famous? The positive answer is, yes, they are. The negative will be, no, they aren't. Oh, no, they're not. Okay, that's gonna conclude our video class on unit number 1, lesson number 2, page 6. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Eso concluiría nuestra video clase de la unidad 1, lección 2, página 6. Dicho eso, los veo en la próxima clase.